I'm gonna quickly show you one of my biggest staple condiments that I always use, that my kids love, that everybody loves, that tries it. It is called, drumroll please, it is called Cashew Cream. And it gives a sour cream-like taste. Alright, so yes, it gives a sour cream-like taste, and I have doubled it for so many different things. One of the major things that I can think of is the sriracha mayo that I put on my sushi. We all know what that is. If you like sushi, they put these little dollops of this kind of pinkish colored cream sauce on top of each piece. That's what this is. So let me just tell you what's exactly in this. It's very easy. It has 1, 2, 3, 4 ingredients, and that includes water. So really it only has 3 ingredients. Those ingredients are, for I think it yields about a cup to a cup and a half. Yeah. You have 1 cup of cashews. These cashews came from Costco. They're the organic steamed ones. They don't have any oil or salt on them. And I gotta tell you, I've tasted a lot of cashews, and these by far taste the best. Now, cashews are a little bit pricey. I know, but I totally think that it's worth it if you are someone in the vegan/plant-based community and you do still consume nuts and seeds. The Costco organic cashews that are salt-free and oil-free are legit. Alright, so we have 1 cup of cashews, and I will definitely be putting this in the description. We have half of a lemon, or lime if you don't have a lemon. Lime can work too. We have half of a lemon squeezed into this little container bowl. And then we have the nasty, the thing that makes it a little sour. That is the apple cider vinegar. I have a tablespoon and a half of apple cider vinegar here. My favorite apple cider vinegar is the Bragg's apple cider vinegar with the mother. So the last thing that you need to have is just some salt. We just have this coarse kosher salt. So this is what I'm going to be using for this, and you can put what you like in there. It doesn't have to be a lot. Alright, so all you have to do, here is how easy it is. All you have to do is pour all of the ingredients in your blender container. A little shake of salt here. And like I said, this will give you plenty of servings, like a cup and a half will, well, we have a lot of people in our family. So I probably make this every 4 days maybe. And a lot of the time I'll actually double the batch, but I figured it'd be easiest to give you the recipe just single, how it is. Okay, and then, so that's what it looks like in there. And then you're just gonna, I don't know, I think it's usually about 1/4 a cup of water. But you can put a little bit more, because a lot of the times you actually will end up getting putting a little bit more in there. So I'll show you what it looks like in the container though, because I honestly just eyeball it. And it's really not that much water. So you can kind of, I don't know if you can see the water line, but it's like right here. And then you just blend it. That's all. You just blend it up. Now, the blender can make it a bit warm, and the taste will be better after you let it cool down in the fridge for a minute. But you can taste it after you blended it to make sure it's where you want it to be. And then you're just gonna put it in the fridge and let it kind of chill for a little while. You don't have to let it chill, you can use it right away, but it tends to be a little bit more potent when you let it chill for a bit. So then all you have to do is make sure you put the lid on and then blend it right up. Alright, so I have the blendtec. I know a lot of people have a Vitamix, but you will want a very powerful, high-speed blender. If you don't have like a super powerful blender, then just soak the cashews for a little while before you do this. But I usually just hit this top level button right here. Alright, so here is the finished product. I'm gonna do a taste test real quick, and we'll see how it turned out. It tastes great. Yeah, it tastes wonderful, actually. If you want to see more videos like this with quick and easy recipes, give me a thumbs up, comment below, and don't forget to subscribe to our videos because we love making them, and we're just going to be creating more and more. So, I'd love to see you around.